Ciao ragazzi, facciamo ora l'esercizio di listening a pagina 101, numero 2. Listen to two people reporting a crime and fill in the crime reports. Quindi ascolta le due persone che denunciano un crimine e completa le denunce. Che cosa dobbiamo ascoltare? Place, quindi il posto, time, l'ora, item stolen, quello che è stato rubato, e description of suspect, quindi la descrizione dei sospettati. Ascoltiamo.
Unit 5, page 101. Exercise 2. Dialogue 1. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like to report a crime.
Please sit down. What happened?
A boy stole my bike.
Where did it happen?
It happened at the swimming pool. I went swimming, and while I was coming out of the swimming pool, I saw a boy. He was riding my bike down the road.
What time did this happen?
It was about 8 o'clock.
Can you describe the boy?
It was quite dark, but I think he was about 15 or 16. He was short and thin.
What was he wearing?
He was wearing a sweatshirt and jeans. Oh yes, and he was also wearing a baseball cap.
Right. Thanks. Dialogue 2. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like to report a crime.
Okay. I'll have to fill in this crime report. Okay, so what happened?
2 girls stole my smartphone.
Where were you?
I was waiting for the bus at the station.
Right. So what happened?
These 2 girls came and asked me the time.
What did you do?
Well, I don't have a watch, so I looked at my smartphone. Just then, one of them hit me and stole it. Then they ran away.
What did they look like?
One of them was short with red hair, and the other was tall and slim with blonde hair. I think they were about 18.
What were they wearing?
They were wearing very dark clothes, and one of them was wearing glasses.
What time was it?
About 4:30.
Okay, thanks.